Hello everyone, I am Mr. Rohan Kolpe, working in Fulton Education Society's College of Engineering Fulton in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today we are going to see the experiment on verification of principle of gyroscope and gyroscopic couple using motorized gyroscope. First of all, we will see what is gyroscopic couple. It is turning movement, or we can simply call it as a torque generated when the axis of spinning object is forced to change its direction. Okay, so this is our gyroscope, motorized gyroscope. It have one rotor, then it have one gimbal, inner and outer gimbal. For ease of practical use, we have only outer gimbal. Then this is the motor, and you can see the circular scale at the bottom of the gyroscope. So here is the circular scale. We required have 3 degrees of freedom. So first is on x-axis this rotor is spinning, and on z-axis this gyroscope is tilting, and the third one along the y-axis it is rotating. That means precession. Okay, so it have 3 degrees of freedom. First one on x-axis this rotor is spinning, on z-axis tilting, and on y-axis precession. So we have 3 masses with us. One is 1 kg, another is 1.5 kg, and one is 2 kg. So we are using these 3 masses to perform the experiment. Okay, so we have started gyroscope, and you can see that this rotor is spinning along the x-axis. So we have measured the RPM of that rotor with the help of this tachometer. It is 1600 RPM. Now when we put some weight on this gyroscope, instead of tilting, it get rotated along the y-axis. So you can see that when I put this weight on this, instead of tilting, it's rotating along the y-axis. That is precision. Okay, so we are setting this gyroscope at 0. So you can see the scale at the bottom of the gyroscope. Here we are setting this gyroscope at the 0 level, and now I am putting 1 kg weight on the other side, so that we have to take the, now you can see that we have took this 1 kg weight and we have set the gyroscope at the 0. Now we will calculate how much time it will take to cover 0 to 90 degree. So I am using this stopwatch for the calculating how much time it will take to cover 0 to 90 degree. Okay, so I have put this weight and started. Stop. So it have took almost 5.44 seconds. Okay, so first of all we have used 1 kg weight. Now we will increase the weight as a 1.5 kg, and we will take the readings for corresponding weight. Again we will take 2 kg of weight, and again we will take the reading for the 0 to 90 degree, how much time it is taking. Okay, so we have took the observations from the experiment. Now we go for the calculation part. So gyroscopic couple is equal to I into omega. So here I is mass movement of inertia, which is measured in kg meter square, which is m into r square. R is the radiation of gyration, of square of the radiation of gyration. Then angular velocity of spin. The angular velocity of spin is calculated by 2 pi n upon 60. And third one is the omega p, angular velocity of precession. So it is calculated as the theta divided by time taken. This is observation table. In that we are taking speed in RPM, which is speed of rotor. We have taken as a 1600 RPM. Then mass. First mass we have used is 1 kg. Then theta for 90 degree we are calculating. So theta is we are calculating in radians. So 90 into pi by 180 radian. And time taken is 5.44 seconds. Okay. Similarly, we can put the observation table for 1.5 kg and 2 kg. Okay. So last part is a calculation part. In that we are calculating gyroscopic couple theoretically and gyroscopic couple practically, and we are verifying the gyroscopic couple using motorized gyroscope. This is how we conducted the practical of gyroscopic couple using motorized gyroscope. Thank you.